You're sitting there at midnight when the air conditioner just gives up on life, and now you're wondering if your travel nurse tenant deserves a discount for living like she's in a sauna. Rent abatement is basically the legal way of saying, sorry, here's some money back because you didn't get what you paid for. Think of your midterm rental like a subscription box. If half the stuff inside is missing or broken, you don't pay full price and just shrug it off. The trick with midterm stays, usually a month to 6 months, is that tenants expect a certain baseline of comfort since they're basically living there, not just visiting for a weekend. So when something major breaks, like heat in January or water for 2 days straight, that's not a minor inconvenience, that's a habitability issue. Most states have something called the implied warranty of habitability, which is a fancy way of saying your landlord has to keep the place livable no matter what the lease says. If you ignore this and just patch things up slowly, your tenant could legally withhold rent or demand a refund for the days they suffered. The amount of abatement usually depends on what percentage of the unit was unusable, so if one bedroom is out of commission but the kitchen and living room are fine, you're not refunding the whole month. Some landlords try to get clever and offer a tiny $5 discount for 3 days without hot water, but courts and reasonable tenants see right through that one immediately. The smarter move is proactive communication, telling your tenant the moment you know about the issue, the timeline for the fix, and what kind of compensation you're offering before they even have to ask. A good rule many property managers follow is calculating abatement based on days affected divided by total days in the month, multiplied by the rent, so a $1,000 rent with 3 bad days might mean about $100 back. Document everything, the repair calls, the dates, the texts, because if this ever turns into a dispute, paperwork is your best friend and memory is everyone's worst enemy. A lot of new landlords panic and think offering any abatement makes them look weak, but tenants actually trust hosts more when they handle disruptions fairly instead of pretending nothing happened. There's also a difference between routine maintenance, like fixing a leaky faucet, and a significant service interruption, like no electricity for 2 days, so know which one you're dealing with before deciding compensation. Building this kind of fairness into your midterm rental strategy isn't just about avoiding legal headaches, it's about keeping good tenants who tell their friends and colleagues that your place is reliable. Want to learn more about how we help midterm rental owners handle situations like this smoothly? Check out the links in the description.